communications member man the New Patriotic Party Akwatia Starboy still is the hashtag also Atenase. Oh, Wakwaba. In office, I met you before, Michelle.
Yeah, we did one.
Twice
one
or
I think so. Your open air program.
Not like a crowd key.
Yeah, I was the president.
I could take these. Because not like time, call your developments were fit. Don't say this is it. Anyway, that's so. But how do you feel? It's a former mayor, some of these challenges.
You may in fact when you so enchia ashafo ina ene me colleague panelista yes Akwatia Starboy and
Akwatia Starboy.
Okay, all right. Na say ye nuano ebo asem no so no na metie say baby a o man na bedu no say yan see a bo ensini pise ye pese ye dane nya mania ye betai si ehunyama esisi sei no ye nti America ne sa ne se asodi no da ye na ayeso na mmom mra editumi ama development authority omo hwe mpuntudwuma ana adansi so ewo assemblies ne mu na oman bia amra enye adwuma no ye be konkwan ho saa kwa ebesi bebi a ye hya ase na enti se ye de tutu ho a ye bebisa se nipa na osidan no na on nensanka tumi a obetumi de sidan no eye permit na onsanka permit a edwuma na ni kwanse wo hya ase
so sakrata na
if so onsanka sakrata na edi ho adanse se edwuma na wo kodi no wo de akire aban anamusi ni any assembly no nti wo de akire assembly no mo ahwe omo ehu se nyama miensa ehu hia pa baako eye oman na nhihye ne kan se special planning oman na nhihye no ya hihye ya ka se hade ebesi fie wa ha hade de akwan bebu ha na ha no ye the community utility services hospital market ana bibi nti e no ye baako etosu mienu no eye the plan both the site plan and a whole development plan site plan so ekire say nkrata na wo de aba no ene bebi a wo se wo besi dan no one asase ne ye wo de na wo de so a bebi asase no wo ene nhihye ya hihye wo special plan no enam kwemu me etosu bi ense ni wo a wo si dan na no what are the facility dan wo di be dey na because ade a wo di dan be ye no so ekire dan na wo si yes nzanye ma mi ense se ya toto na ase a me esi besi nanso me bo na edi kan no so eye building permit no bibi koso se obi edikrata ko assembly se ope building permit no obe nante ho saa obe di akonia basa say nipa obi news no so no o ka say binum hia ase se omu sidan no na cement boy
300
ebia 19 na 30 cedi
30 cedi rather
ene 90 any 100
yeah
nti so obi ni plan ebrel e wa assembly na would delay na e won so sanso me second project a me ye na me wo bank na ya ma me sika metumi DAC like a 3-bedroom self-contained na me say no me de be two foundation mom na ma to me bo esi no 3 within just about 5 years na sika metumi de aye
3-bedroom
na fi foundation mpo ntumi wie nti me stress asem ne ba edika de na nso se yan kan yes yan kan a ebeba ne se nipa o sidan na wafom ode ne krata aba misusu se me wo mrahye bidweme I have to probably visit the law na nhwe se ese mra no ekekere me a mepese mi sidan no se me meje krata mra ne fa bi so enchichire aban say me de krata ne ba
de udwumantem
yes na niama wo se me mfra no me de ni na aba e say utumi ye hye no mre say 3 months or 3 months maximum utumi ye ne ntem a ye mbo waba so but e 3 months ne chi a e say so twe so e koma omo da aban edwuma no ano
but de bia ye mo nchiremu wow de bia mo nchiremu me pese me hadi me oba because we the way ara what do we are more children baby am we na sisi bi am abon ebesi na be boss sisi ni wie ansa na mo ba me djuma big boss I because sisi put you structure ni together we them has the one day be omo dey pick up na best side trot na me sit on na me call am me nua krata beda it's getting to almost a year minim se mini ada you come appoint obi agina manam almost every 3 days bia no okoko check hwe say the beye and there echina na ba na krata na odi ba na we be there I don't know how we can cut some of because no crane say mo ya ma adwese mo ya badwuma pampe yakọ yem bi yen krata mu about process na we will yen na ebedi for because nipa do na atwen bo mo twen a na echira sem no say they will see can cement move one move iron rods and then mason from 70 or 80s or 100 and 120
150
yes it I don't know between
it I say mrano e share planner any city engineer no say document no be da we nimo a document no kire niama wo hia ti say nipa ne de ba within 3 months I'm just giving an example
of course, yeah.
within 3 months
3 months that's why you be power boy cry
nimpa no sanka
3 months there
e ba sa me sure say we no asobete number 2 minjintum say city engineer beko say or inspect building na obi wo fie ho aka say oma no this should not happen in this country.
It's happening,
no, but it should not happen because emrano emma city authority kwan say ono na onhwe say oman na ye chichire no bibia ye sibia no enda na kwan mu na sa edwuma no ye dia hye engineer ne nsem nti say wo engineer usuma obi a wo de wa hoden ana mrana ye dia ma wo no na wo de suma ne pa no nti nipa no so se okowo oman ne mra ne mu eni kwan se okowo no ane etimu na ebebebre no omo kona no na omo sisin ene de se ye game ene de se nti adwen no da se me kwa ko hwenru omo
na ma
movement inti me stress me de tufo so se city engineer o si dan na city engineer kase ebe kase jaya
the other good thing is the assembly engineer ne buy no or share me structure no who defects
yeah
that's the beauty of engineer animal GDA wo mo
yeah
because mo seek wo interest the crash and the wow yeah but say obenye o madage no we your chance dey din komo na manfo chance or say me ginka or say or we are looking for a permit for a factory. The engineer who is supposed to facilitate it to the planning and other committee has taken blah blah blah. Yet more than a year, they don't even know where they have put the documents. And these ones, now documents to avoid these things. But the structure is to not be a tiamra. Make us a normal way. I'm happy with this education because we don't free money ever. Monko ni binom omo ho ahonte we ni ntino we ni ntino omo ho ahonte monko ni biso de bia da okọ ayi anase okọ meeting anase oni ho no to office ni ma the office is not operating until he comes back. I don't know how we can do these corrections that are boy
yeah yes you can be see leadership you can
no money be how later off the office now say say when na na ekoso my office I can't blame you but you be blamed but don't do na well
but you see mrano ye so well crafted mrano say nanka every month no there must be development planning meeting maybe feed the actual term but that meeting no and I approve permit no enti say we a leader na go pese edwuma no ekoso a snap some meeting. Every chief executive must avail himself.
An interest in
yes, at least once a month, no, kotna meeting. But before we go meeting, no, say unya
brief
the applications. They prepare a summary application. Until bia
assume she need
aha we there otu aha ne document ni is passed. We there ni we no yem recommend for approval because it's insumu we there until bia say 2030 who MC you may not be an engineer but there is bibia ya kano the layman's
understanding
and common sense. Nti wohwemwa na wonim areas no you see na me chimapa me to me fa heads of department na ye call so we see the things nti wohwemu na wotina meeting ni mo a wo be hu say we baby aye kan okay yam flag na yan hwe ni biom ana sompo no because engineers no any planners no any no fire service Ghana Fire Service sits in that meeting EPA sits in that meeting nti say omunim say every month obi inspected in life. So why inspect here? Don't expect. We are not inspecting. We are not inspecting. Into Bia, look, I have said in my heart, say, the next government of John Dramani Mahama, one of the areas I say very critical should be the appointment of chief executives. Because if you get 260 very good, sound, strong chief executives, the work is half done. The work is half done.
Now, if you get party apparatchiks,
just like what we are seeing now,
just like in your
look, I can tell you. Look, on my hand today, I will take you on for every argument. Go to Gawes, go to Ashaiman, the colleagues I worked with, and the things we delivered. I don't blame the current crop because you see, leadership, no, the structure, no, I say, because near my free hand. What can I say? Amasaman Hospital, I see. It was the chief executive at the time who stood and built it. Ukwa Shaiman Polyclinic. It was the so I'm saying that near Air Kosi, ni fan your leadership, but a ban permitting now a simple monthly sitting would address it.
Because only the Mr. all office not exceptional. It would be in your daji, even though we have challenges, but not quite exceptional with the duties as a mayor in Tema. Who bakono buy no crown this popular my no course you are about statues be no to go be by mekai message back but also ocean I say in terms of mayor no
I'm in area. It's my detail but on my largely he's spoken well apart from part of do ya or the politics kaka
the president
the next time
you see, I can say I'm not blaming the current chief executives because there's a certain structure even the work of the engineers.
Okay.
Look, let's take for example 1 million per constituency. You see the pavement blocks, any toilets. Okay. Why should such contracts be awarded from the top? Okay. From the central government. When you do that, you are creating disenchantment. Yes, because what is toilet?
Yeah.
In my time, 20 to 32 seater toilets. Missy Bako 32. 32. Every school in my had senior renovation, new one. I'm bringing this to let you know, sir. I have not said that statement to spite any chief executive. Okay. The structure itself, the leadership is the problem.
Okay. So I think Honorable Adamtin, wakasa ye largely. Sansona was say yakasa as a member pa. Now he's speaking from the mayor point of view. Baby or tonight in your home. Now I largely agree with in some baby or kind. You know, main kasa and my unqueche. But the honest truth is say. Yes, leadership is a problem. You will assemblies no, omusinto ewo honum, and ewo yensu timemufo no so yesinto ewo honum, and we have to look at either ways to make sure say we avoid some of these things. And another question here can say be what we see dying no now face o you bio but na ebu ye no say we sika na ahye enti wo nso sinto na sunsunso aso ye de eno no ana oman no nso sinto na sunsunso aso ye de ewo no na me dey say more discuss issues ni bebre na because the truth of the matter ni say there no na ha assembly for no nyame nim no kwe that is me no ka say see it's good say you pointed to him me project a permit over 2 years ni under aban ameka no be ke say me hu mu anka se bi no me odin kaka me so me ko ba bi o se nketi me hwe me ntem kra me pese me bo assembly ni din e wotema so what yeah 2 years et imagine me kwa na me che na me decide say to say sana working ya macha my mediecha my bibia et me see me secret baby ave me do baby oma ba wo no ma me ma ko apply na o mu ntimi nya me permit ni ma mi o one of the tax force abesesa me ni amako
we ndo besa nya ko
afia sana medieche kwa say o na bo na e wa o ni e kwa enim sa o tie ya na say nkeka sa what ade de o mu de ni ama no e ma me besi nem si 2 years nie me sanka permit no so me was they rather prefer say nkomo ba ho no na nko atam bibi de amomo na nko mo agya oni ama na e wo so mo sesa ko no mo sesa nko e wo mo a 3 months echi ana say busumi isi echi no ma san ba no ma beje kakra no mo ko they prefer that kind of system to say wa obe decide say obe dimra so but me no can say we court cry judgment teta kwa say ma judgment now within 60 days say bia court intimi provide judgment only so ultimately come back to the court and ultimately nullify decision no so what I say enti eye den assembly so we applied for permit now within certain days sanka was sanka matimi kwan we see assembly no and if those laws are working say mra on is na I believe say come back active and yan so nipa ba ko for no the discretion a share ni same the open no ye okwa assemblies na enipa bebre wo omdi to me show me say mo nsese omdi to me show mo nsa
omudi om brepa
o me ka say me say omutema omo chiye ka bi omo say ya the branding abo ho per the local government law no almost some bylaws bia omo implement but there are exemptions to the law omo yes omo chare me ne ka che ne kasa ya o say dabi on ti ase because we are certain essential service provider and there are certain exemption to me sure letter e de ko asem me decide say we mean to akaple me amedieche me sure letter mo che ka no be ya wada me dieche sure letter de ko ye me ko ye nya me nti o nka Monday na me follow up ko assembly me ko assembly ni me ye no ko kasa afa me che ne letter ni ade a me de aba offer o mo head of security ni baya and obi san say ti motimi achi obi card ye si compounder for almost 4 days metias maintain poda 19 ko bi ba no betutu car no bibi and ya assembly ni car and come over cancel na nipa ni gina ho so there are so many things that happens within the assembly and say fata by nipa ni bi so eden yes and omukwa na nye politicians omunye political leaders so these are regular local government staff omoti assembly or aban beba aban be ko obetina we didi sa these are the people omoma problems no eti no kwani say asema kwesisia editu dwen assembly is at fault mu no kwede e ba kope untimi nka so de weni akohu ade na so ye ka kire o museum njai zabi na oman na was enko be stop you have every right to stop them and untimi nka so ye de ani ko boss so and ye ka kire o museum njai na ye sikwa ya start no kwa no mo ba mo sesa ye ni amako eti clearly de bia ejuma o so I say eti oman we honor waka insem and I believe say largely sana o kan sa na insem best say assembly no so be back for permitter on my expedite at the end term and sometimes some charges need be so outrageous from one assembly to the other o compare enye me pesa me kam ya me kom there me betimi age di say me project ya me say me pesa me constituency e tema die e wo ho charge am tia wo e ho kwa na e kurom no me kurom dan a me ko assembly a DC me ama ban DC de ko to na ni say me pesa da achi bi na DC aban be bana obi enya me dan ho asem akantim beje permit no but one day be DF obi o say dem afem me ke kana dwenche me vara de me verse and am say now say na government revenue when I'm about to apply for we say mama me assessment on my assessment or the mama no more than times 2 of what I'm paying in the city and I'm just now we catch us say crazy dying betua say ya uko mi ko why no so no permit or no but me na me decide say for political expediency me problem bia minister no man ye amanyosem eti me kwa kwaje me permit dia to my no chine bia aban sesa obi a me di sa answer mu na ye den anche ana me share process na say the value they gave me there in the Nchembo is ×2 of what I have paid in Accra.
Oh, industrial area.
Can you imagine? Okay. Say, oh no, development and I say project, economical, even so until say, and also your idea was same before nation. No, you be born a sisiki to be a wama sama on in patem kakebia. Now, for huge charge man as permit. Because as an one ton is it doesn't make sense.
All right, so you have a game park for no about in 2-3 minutes time. But me or hey, I say most of this conversation and then the and suddenly across Waba, they make your person because we can't movement, you know. Or say, hey, movement. There's a movement on Komodi. But Mami Musa, this very question. I would say, or flag bearer, maybe former president.
Yeah.
Wa share in your animal in suit forms was show moon cry. And a yabaya fasha my or my name. Say Utopia, I say Nadmo, I will say ministers, I will say mayors, I will say former and kind presidents, you know, Mobomodia. But we are not solving the problem, Mayo.
And no can at say near Naya Kaya na yen say in so dear a year Ninsun Sansono as saying dying back with yes, a durable. Now my yenka environment I can want some any NGOs are in the area of environment, climate change in Yamano. Ya say afi ye di bibia ye afashe fanfare ne niama omahene flooding sabi developed countries omusunya flooding developed countries enya flooding tinanka flood badia nanka emma addition de flood ba will be 1 2 by the third time no there must be clear evidence be a dance so pass ade ye si na no no ntino ya ye bibi se ya se ne si na no no bia na e baba dia ya so ano. Number 2, nature ankasa wo ne kwan ya nanka ode boa no ho de boa yen se wo fa the topography of Accra, Greater Accra, efi adenta de ba ga east
Abokobi,
yes. If you hold the bano, Ushasra, omo natural low-lying areas are towards the abattoir. Abattoir no srono ye wo animal husbandry a natural low-lying area. A sanso tene edeko Sakumono, which is the Ramsar Sakumono Lagoon. Nature has that beauty. Ufi dodowa de fa fienya almost naturally nature directs all the water to the
buffer
yes to the wenya farms ho na nsuo eta ho dam bi wo ho nti say aban and city engineers seriously I think we should start questioning our engineers because some of these things they are just so fundamental.
No, come aside, it's just easy. The compromise is no more, professional compromise.
And only movement.
The pressures are too much. Ube who's your mind here sit down Ramsey. No mind here afraid. It is me chief of staff, job patch of fashion. What am I body? No my chief of staff.
No patch.
No connected mayor.
Yeah.
Now meanwhile, baby your mind here sitting there sino. And who should the natural buffer no. A better for money in the house. Yeah. It's one more money there. They always know. I could just start boy there.
That's the problem. Leadership. O man in the entire made the natural course a be mono. Nanka yehu betoyen. Look, Ghana nyamisha will be BMO. Me can we so mpo their fat siwa any waste. Because about Mimi Susu say about 60% of your flooding is waste management
issues.
Contributing factor.
Improper disposal
yes.
of waste.
Nti who say odo no kra no. Why? Every year you be pesika. Okay, I say some time ago June flood be a buy ye boom yenya binum kra be ya doye etiti mu na say kra ya te say na akra mayor enya facility etiti nti part like my brother said no your attitude.
Yeah.
Now flooding na eba nienti amene His Excellency John Dramani Mama Adwin said what he is emphasizing is like you said, it should not be just an annual ritual for us to come and lament. Yeba na yabeka oh na nso na fa. Kwan so amefa di kofi.
Oba to aso be ko. Ye pemula etie kwaba it is either obenya 9 and obenya 12 and obenya 6 game park in 2 minutes we'll be back.
Stop! You know you guys do. Continue.
Prepare yourself to unleash even more moolah by staking from 1 Ghana cedi to 350 Ghana cedis. And you could win 26 times your stake on the exciting new Pick 1 game from Game Pack. Play by dialing *946# on all networks via our website or download the Game Pack app on www.gamepackgames.com. Choose your Pick 1 number from 1 to 36. Place your stake and watch our live draws on Adom TV at 9 a.m., 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. daily.
Hey, live life like me with Game Pack. Game Pack, more moolah, more power.
This game is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18. Play responsibly.
Good morning. It is Wednesday, September 27th, 2023. My name is Mimi, and welcome to the Game Park Live Draw at the Black Star Studio. Please be reminded that all live game draws have been supervised by the National Lottery Authority. We will now call on a rep from the NLA to come inspect both our Pick 1 and Pick 4 machines and their balls before we proceed. Now, guys, as I said earlier, that Game Park is here for you. Game Park is here to solve all your money problems. All you have to do is just dial *946# stake and make some good money for yourself. With that being said, it is now time for you to pick your numbers and 10 out the winnings with our Pick 4 game. A game you can either play straight, Lucky 2, Lucky 3, twin sets, or just mix it up. Our first number is 0. Second number is 6. Our third number is 2. And our fourth and final winning Pick 4 number is 1. Once again, our winning Pick 4 numbers are 0, 6, 2, and 1. And now to our newest game in town, the Pick 1 game. The game that brings you the easiest moolah. Yes, note that with this game, all you have to do is just to select one number from 1 to 36 numbers. Relax as we unveil our winning Pick 1 number for today. What will our winning Pick 1 number be? And our winning Pick 1 number is 28. Yes, our winning Pick 1 number is 28. Now let's take a look at all our winning numbers for this morning. A big congratulations to all our winners today. Remember, guys, that if you want to play the game, you know what to do. visit our website at www.gameparkgames.com or just dial *940# on our networks, and also follow us on our various social media platforms at Gamepark Games GH. We will come your way again at 12 for our next Pick 4 and Pick 1 games that you will love to play. My name is Mimi. Have a wonderful morning.
My name is John, and this is my long-time crush, my cookie dipped in strawberry yogurt. On this scorching hot afternoon on our way back from a long job hunt, we met this good Samaritan who offered us a 6 weeks later.
A special wedding reception for our bride and groom.
And there she is, my cookie, dipped in someone else's yogurt.
Who holds the moolah, holds the shot. Play Gamepark Games, the easiest lottery to play and win. Pick 4 numbers from 0 to 9 up to 3 times daily to become one of our daily lucky winners. Dial *946# to play now. Or you can also play online at www.gameparkgames.com. Gamepark is regulated by the National Lottery Authority.
Well, that's how by trying to come on so and my main car say for Isaac Ashai Odamtin, Member of Parliament for Tema East, former Mayor Tema, era NSTL Community Communications Team member, and Ojina say Bobatuno Swaba as a Member of Parliament hopeful for Badwam Mpensenpensemu. We're back. Baby, honorable Mayor, former Mayor interest or Parliament Drew here. Alliance resignation movement na maybe came. So I don't think there's a king character in our party I responded to quite fast watching well free. Then I will become uncle.
On my no cranny say Oshe Abraboa Yura Lanchamantiabo, the Nebra Aye, the Ama party now Wayibi. As a Bema be yebi, one getting in a intia say. Ya bedu sa bridge wa ye cross so say odin adwuma na so odin na de agu form say otene ho afi party ni ya, and it's a source of concern for us as a political party. The di ho so ne say politics is about numbers. Intina say otene ho afi party ni no, be it as it mean say na tie bia no wachitafo bi mu ne ade a omo bedi na chi a omo so e de ebetwe omo afi party intino ya, but makanisa wie no. When you talk about the numbers and so on, it's not just about numbers na nipa ne de kono, it's about the weight of the numbers and nipa ne de or de kono. Etimide nanka me feel say baby a wabo abrabo abedu ene de waye o party nim ene se bi enunyama e won nim anase won so. To me de nanka me feel say baby abedu na ensese anka o take his decision no. But right ana we decide say o twe ne ho afi amanyoko nim. Na me feel say near Western Adia Beduni near West study a political landscape in Abeduno. It is not in his own interest. Senka obe take decision we're taking. But be it as it is no, we take his decision and that decision is what we're taking no. Yami say yen kana kwa to say I abro decision.
Abro.
Yeah, abro. I abro decision. Now I didn't know me can say abro decision. O man say what your mind. We've been told, say, floating voters say, "What my imuno?" We come in our boma, almost 10% of the voter population. So what I say, and you not just say NPP and NDC Amanjokono, they have their stacked numbers. I go order that. In fact, to simply put it, sana unia ubi kwa nena so the two ni shows all kind. 200 times they go crowded that because each of the political parties have their polling station executives. And they in flag bearer by to over 250,000 people when they go to Abano. Into both political parties, the numbers be good that. And if you say some me can, me meaning BBC and Yero Island Chairman. There be near me can onim same because also you say we deep party nature why your politics are chasing me. And they say be nyasa me wonyansa bia onu ni bi. Or wonyansa say wonim de same. And you think he doesn't know these basic facts?
But say o share the only good character so simple. And I know so masaba to I am Piachiano. Say me na me pe eye chairman edi. Metina me koswa mfie be duonum ni akira sambenya chairman. Na o hwe na Brian so dia be wom ana me kra me call back be din kugo me call back. That was be din kugo as na third one me din kunim. Na masaka now the party over no cause that baby adwuma. Why are you talking like this?
Because Edika the all there's a false sense of entitlement. Etina man nipa no be so a false sense of entitlement. Sa nipa no o choose blame over responsibilities. Me na wo me na ye me dia me na sese me ko ha. O share the trajectory of events. Ni nkro bo that very day now. Also from 1992, I'm almost said here YEF near day. Any people call on him saying ka ombe contested as a flag bearer then. And I'm penning be more appear me money a day too nifo. Say one sign. So what I say. Eti o tracy ni route na person say. Chese onu kwa de trimupon na say nko susu say nko di mampenia. Ese fata na nyene. Eno na mani pebi ka che wo say. Yes, ebia obetimi awo sa ambition no. But what did you do to merit it? And then I will here to fulfill it. So what I say. Oboni nko oboni to say, sabi me na me se fata de dada. Me no nanka o say nka me say na say ye jifi me say me ye jifi nti ekwa me. But the point is that me de bia me catch nipa bebre say it was bound to happen. Me de me ka say if it is surprising say baby wa bedu sam pempen so na me enya me nwanwa. Because at the end of the day, uti on one in Kubo and then Yama why over the period now. A shall say, we just sebia to one no masasano, ebia on be moon share say a son or two and politically no. I knew to the benefit and answer Aquetiano. Because we say since 2007, yes, Obe Franca Tuni Ama Manyukono, his vote has never appreciated. And no, political machinations no. Eka backroom political power brokers na all kind of. Say obi bedi me dey tia me bisa san ni nyina oman ye nyina ti omemu ana me ne o ka se opa ma MPs bi mo ana se minister bi nka se ne watwe ne ho afi party ni enipa bi kwa betimi abochenku o ba bia aka se ode ne ho ne kwa na o step down ne kwa mo mpene me bo ana me bo na no ye se di nketia mu se o mayi Harry na Idrisu ne kwa nya ye party mu asemu wa hu ne si wo tamale when you see your parliament, when we send an ANPB, you are lancing we see from 53 days near. When we be our manual when we be our mind we and to say, yes, so wash your mouth team, where did you team? So I tell you, wash your mouth team, and I can't say, oh, wash your mouth team, let you. Oh, man, I've been here, Buddhist, what I say. And I want to know with the greatest of respect, why be. But me, I think say a bro anamotuo ana wotu because say be say wotu anamo na nim say anamo me tu no say be nyese me ko wini abana na just why wadwen say wo sanetie e de egu ye garim ye nkwan na ye ne na apese wo say nkwan no because political history kwa che say enipa bebria aye breakaways from the party no they have not survived it and to see Alanche Mantin wonim it having considered all these facts no so still osisi team no na adwen say chinchina independent na bekwa no we say adwonboni aba ekura team na adwonboni so ba ekura team a otongum that is the honest truth about this whole matter etimi I can predict the script of the movie now or chono say enkosi ewie pa saying it that way no so be say say on the contrary no say nka wanyesa and so the no bebo party no etu anamo esese otu and make sure say boy also boy party now I can tell you say there's a likelihood say he will transform into a big statesman now. A lot of the party faithfuls will own a lot of loyalty to him. But then, baby, our quiz are not in the area of Kwamina Ahoy Kai, Kwamina Batel, Ekaye. I say, we're in a political career. And Sebi, as some papa and answer some Ukrainian to Sebi, Shenina Swa or Jina Sukra say, or Chinihun if you are man you could. It is completely laughable. So what I say we must condemn all forms of violence. Mimijitum and say obi den nsa and obi tin nsa onipa baako so cry because of elections. Mijitum say o say condemn. But don't you mean say onipa baako say we call election the outcome of the election say onipa baako suffer a violent bintino saa de nintino what step it down. But the reverse question is say it was so say nko di nkunima and also open gap between ono and the contenders now. Ko beka say abusa ni nipa baako nintino enko si form. It is not true. Sometimes you can't create enche yon. And some all can say political victimization, any or say vindictiveness, any maligning in some okay politics. Now by politics is so ye, that's when you can. And then I would tell you there. Now you cry. Now you are contest election. Me young guy is a contest election. Me winning primaries. And then you find your party with me. You can't stop. You when it does so say, "Nyami di ebesi." So what are you saying? Now, even if we want to go by the maligning, any attempt the dia, baby or the wako jinano kwan, you should be ready to face more because you're a Mahama, you're a Kufuado. Why mune on my wemu? Ya chiomase essence anko for wemu. Et ye na was a ubabe jinas independent candidate. Be ready for West. I feel uncle for betchua bosso. First, need any nuanu. Etebia oka, ye de need ye any bibia mount. But then you are a contender. No? Why would you say, oh, Bessan net ye guye garim? Yes, you who did that. It's your mind said, we face your better also on Sunday, guye garim. Your money in Sunday, and guye garim. It is sabi decision now we're taking. Because I will say, unipe kubia, udio mwechi over the period, no, ye de oma fati timu. Atiti ya o kan ya you. Ye rakwa be Japan one ko election ni bi. Oma Emmanuel ni etiefo nyina obi. So ko obi. He was a candidate himself. And you cannot cry more than the bereaved. Okay. On one person call super delegate EBR Odi Inchono. I know this seven or the tuja. Obviously, I know the onim say resignation or no. But you are crying more than the bereaved. When you are citing him and saying, oh, acquire the Omofaz or party Nimunia, then a yaw yantina will step it down. Ebiana wo chimupa pese utu sana mono. But I don't think say reasons now they are good enough for us as a political party to accept say ebia bibi on. We say as a politician ya odi beba. Entina ye chairman e ka che say wa attempt over 20 something years. So be the chairman afen wedi. The own name Dr. Bine Champon story no. Na afen wa ba ya amanyoku nim. E den on ne honorable pariansa NC osum. We all know it. Unless we be afen wa ba party nim. But ye nim on your pariansa they see osumwa yeah. And talk okay, member of parliament over several years and what you are achieving the dream.
Member of parliament person contribute to this conversation.
We if you are the
interest issues are how describe the reason why all move from it's a sure no or tron news beside it. Oh
my person
oh I am saying near me bra cannot or come from omo party no but as of mine no say you to say amanyosema ye no eboaye nyina say we parties ankese ewo Ghana sisi afimu a nyama bebrebe tosin look easy registration ye say we NDC MPP fimu a na kakofu bibiri enko antro mudin because how many people ewo Ghana sisi a umbetumi etia 50 cities in and out to go and just get the voter ID card and then with the bank ING Ghana card na yeje nti amanyosem no a ye no eboa ye na eno ho nti na ehia se bibi ekoso party bi mu a ese ye na ye de ye ho ejim na ye kan sene a ebebeba ma hene memba o show ida by na me be na nka ese me bo amban red ana ma bokoko pa
red
yes Monday, manti asem de. Sunday evening, many team, many omo ye boa registration exercise. Omwe jankora kwan eko efi New Town, eko committee 4, baby aye EC office wo. Omo fa motorbike within just 200 meters, not at any speed. pine. Bakuto this Monday. The second one, no, critical condition na owo Tema General Hospital. Me fa kwenya iso embo Tema General Hospital medical team na abaso. Omu to me stabilize no. Ama ye kase yanra transfer no ko ICU or Kolebu Neuro Center na Mr. Omahine me colleagues say me fa kwenya iso na me ma ebusia omo de share eye Christopher Aniklu Yako na yenhye omo den afesu yenua Daniel Adoa ebusia enim se bebi a odane nya de na nso yesre nyame se ono a otumi sayare no on ginemu mayen na yensanka Adoa ya na omo boa process no ni ana me kan se and so Tema East yanti asem de na mefa akwenya iso emamu na yakọ ehyem den se suma yesuma man no di nsunsanso bebre na eba we yensusu ne sa abane sa mema ebusuan na yakọ mema Tema East NDC yakọ mema obia so hyede
okay
na ya ka ne say na me ka esisu se nia me brother aka no nanka memfe bi nka ho movement ana me ka no na mfa we nso misusu se mi jitum se yenia pening alentremantin onimde enti answer no betu sa na moedie na ono aso ya onimne oye na nso masusu pa hu se omo pray de bre hu dendende no aida se omo nsa nka ana omo nsa ka so a entenkoye
omo pray gidi
yeah obi wa presa no ano ohwehwe nti omma ne ho kwan ana omma look ko bible no mu David yes na o hye baby kra na ekofa no bai jafta na ne busua yi ya yakopa ne chose bra bedi enkan you understand te du bebre a na hu me de to me ho a na nka me hye baby o
kona baby kra
yes na me boa nka kra me cry me gold card me boa nka kra but when the time came PV being called me no mom na all convince me nyem ade ankrofo chase no inte me stress ni ami hu yi de me de align beka omo a entice omu ye na nka meka crazy so say ye mampeni ye nya rehemu woni mu pa because no wa preache na nso hwe ne ekoso ye a em say ye ma no ntam anka beboa but wa prea nintino na so atoba ha because nye ekoso leadership me dey can align assembly say ya binumu be told me 2016 when I heard some of the campaign messages of Nanado Dankwa. Look, let's be real.
Yeah.
It was perfect.
Very.
But I can
it's not perfect.
My brother, I mentioned 1 million per constituency here. Let me advise you. Let me advise you. Don't do this politics.
Which is
1 million per constituency. If I were Nana Ado, I would fulfill it and I'll get the benefit. She said,
what are you saying? You say,
Oh
no! In my constituency, there are projects.
You see, he said project. He didn't say I'll do projects of 1 million. You see, this is the deception.
I say he didn't say. Now he's changing the narrative.
No, I'm saying that Nanado didn't say I'll do projects. He says I will give you 1 million, and I'm advising you. Say, tell them that if they had done that, they would have done better, because every year. To me, 1 million. I'm at 275 million, right?
So he's trying to distinguish between projects, in the name of 1 million. Compared to say this kind of amount. Yes, that's what he's trying to say.
What was your campaign
message? Is it 1 million per constituency?
Now 1 million near the moment someone find it.
No, when the one I'm catching
projects.
It's more Bisano.
Bisano, on him.
Me
constituency 1 million per
me say
project be
me as MC.
Yes,
I have told you here. Say me see 20 to 32 seater.
And you was
for 7 years no 3 toilets 10 seater
1 million no.
Me see 3 seater any pavement blocks.
Oh baby oh skill as no. Now what be some me constituency near am 1 million.
I'm not contesting.
There are markets.
I'm saying that
1 million.
Yes. We have a brochure 1 million normally here. It is on no better
no problem.
1 million undercover 1 million.
Undercover one. My also same ben I can say.
That's
why you say no be can say. David. His concern is that I was scan instead of say I was saying the mark constituency.
No, my main concern is that my main concern is
now he's trying to
compare Alan Chairman is fighting for leadership.
Yeah, so stay on track.
Nana do dankwa on fighting sa ye kumi preku sa ye di che ni nsem na wa bra ono ani promises ananka ebema na adan so no kra no otumi anye.
But do you believe in the suggestion that Nana Akufo-Addo should think of resigning or stepping down?
I believe that. Look, I believe that. And let's be fair. Look, you see my brother. Let's be fair. Beyond the politics,
like you are suggesting to him, say,
believe in
that. Now, where is this coming from?
He's asking a question.
It has never been on the FIFA.
No,
that's what
say. Say a sitting president should resign based on what?
Non-performance.
Does it concern? Is this a government of it, say, or suffer from non-performance?
President
but it's a general knowledge, sir, all over the world, and Yamabi or my inquiry. So, President Nika,
you live in
the admittance.
You live in